my channel. So in this video we have a question 25 raised to power 5 minus 25 and we need to solve it without the calculator. How do we solve this then? So we know this is 25 raised to power 1. I will take 25 common. Inside we will get 25 raised to power 4 minus 1, right? Okay. So now we have 25 here and 25 raised to power 2 times 2 minus 1, right? So a raised to power mn is actually equal to a raised to power m raised to power n, right? In exponents. Then I will write 25 and this is 25 raised to power 2 raised to power 2, okay, minus 1. This is equal to 25. 25 square. What is 25 square? We have a short trick for this. What is 5 square? 25. And 2 multiply 2 with this next digit. 2 times 3 is 6. So this is 625 and whole square minus 1. Right? We got this now. And now we need to solve it. Right? So we have 25 and this is 625 times 625 minus 1. Can we write it like this? Yes. So this is 25. 625 we will keep as it is and here we will write 600 plus 25 minus 1, right? So 25 and I will multiply this 625 times 600 plus 625 times 25 minus 1, right? Clean it. So this is this, okay? And now we have 25 and what will become? It will become 375,000 when you multiply these two. Now when you multiply these two, you will get 625. What will I do? I will multiply with 20 and 5. Okay. I will break it since we are not using calculator. So we get 375,000 plus when you multiply it with 20 you will get this, plus when you multiply with this you will get 3125 minus 1, right? So you have now 25 and now we will add all these things and subtract 1. 390,625 minus 1, right? And now we get 25 times 390,624 and now we need to multiply these two. So it is 20 plus 5 times 390,624 and it will become, when you multiply this it will become 12, 2 9s are 18 and this 7 plus when you multiply this it will become 1953120. Now after adding this we will get 9765600 and this is our answer. So if you like this video, do visit my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.